how to buy HARRYBOLZ token. So this token came under the symbol of HARRYBOLZ. It's the same. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money loans on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token created 4 days ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. If you go to X, as you can see the Twitter, you will be able to see that Elon Musk, he has just switched here his name to HARRYBOLZ, as you can see here on this post. So go and check this post on the X website. So as you can see, this token, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token is trending number 10 right now on Solana section and the screeners. Now to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Just copy the token address from here and go and open a fund wallet for that. Click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure that you read all of this information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom made, because the most of issues came from the slip patch, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy HARRYBOLZ token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.